kinds of climber. Coconut climber.
Sordo. Push the banana and climb one hand.
Yeah.
Getting the
And you are
fruit of the
72.
coconut. And kunut has in my knee. I have a sack here for pin. 3 1,000 a day. Half day. 1,000.
1,000 no?
I got covered.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ah.
Carrying 80 kilos copra.
80 kilo.
3 times 3 in the mountain, last there in the other side. Morning 2 sack. Afternoon 2 sack.
Wow. Yeah.
Sometimes 70 kilos. I sliding slippery. I walk in the small stone in head and then